One of the fundamental concepts of insurance is that it is a mechanism by which risk is transferred from one party to another, equitably, for a predetermined fee. Health insurance, like all other forms of insurance, is a mechanism to transfer a risk to another party. In this particular instance, the risk, or peril, is any healthcare bills you may face. A simple way of explaining this would be to say that, by paying the insurance company a premium for coverage, the policyholder ensures that the insurer will pay for their medical treatment when they need it. However, this is based on the assumption that it is only future medical risks that will be covered under the policy. The reason for this is that any medical risks in existence before or at the start of the policy are not actually risks. They are already happening. Pre-existing medical conditions are often defined as any condition for which the policyholder has received a diagnosis, treatment, or medication, or any condition for which they have displayed symptoms or were aware of prior to the commencement of the insurance. Under the core definition of insurance, risks must be exchanged equitably for the insurance to work. When looking at health insurance, existing medical conditions fall outside the bounds of the definition of insurance. Asking to obtain pre-existing condition coverage is almost like trying to purchase fire insurance on a property which is currently burning down. As pre-existing medical conditions, for the purposes of health insurance, are not risks but rather facts. The original condition and any subsequent conditions related to it are normally excluded from the coverage offered by both Hong Kong and international health insurance plans. There are 3 exceptions: coverage after a waiting period, coverage via an additional premium, and coverage through a medical history disregarded benefit, which is only available under group medical insurance and cannot be purchased on an individual basis. Your choice of insurer and policy will dictate which options, if any, are available to you. But if you are concerned about the impact of pre-existing medical conditions on your health insurance or want to learn more about your options, ask CCW Global, where your insurance is swift, simple, and sorted.